Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the second chapter of economics, that is sector of Indian economics. It is said that an economy is best understood when we study its components or sector. Let us look at these pictures. You will find that people are engaged in various economic activities. Here, question arises: what is economic activities? Economic activities are such activities which get you some income while performing them. For example, doctor earning his income by treating his patients. Policeman get his salary by performing his duty. And what is non-economic activities are those activities which do not earn you any income. For example, doctor treating his own family member does not earn any income. So, economic activities can be classified in the three sectors. First, primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. First, what is primary sector? It includes all those economic activities which are connected with the extraction and production of our natural resources. There are many activities that are undertaken by directly using natural resources. They are called primary since it forms the base for all the products that are subsequently produced. Since most of the natural product we get from the agriculture, dairy, fishing, forestry, so this is also called the agriculture related sector. Next, secondary sector. It includes all those economic activities which are related to manufacturing process. Mining of iron ore is a primary activity, but manufacturing of steel is a secondary activity. It means it covers activity in which natural products are changed into the other form through the way of manufacturing that we associated with the industrial activities. The product is not produced by nature but has to be made, and therefore some process of manufacturing is initial. Since these sectors gradually become associated with the different kind of industry that come, it is also called industrial sector. For example, using sugar cane as a raw material, we make sugar. Next, tertiary sector. It is the sectors which is related to activity like transports, banking, insurance. Tertiary activities help in the development of the primary and secondary sector. These activities by themselves do not produce a good, but they are support for the production process. Since these activities generate service rather than goods, so tertiary sector is also called service sector. So economic activities are grouped into three different categories, are highly interdependent. Next, GDP and comparing the three sectors. First, we understand what is GDP. The value of final goods and services produced in each sector during a particular year, providing the total production of the sector for that year. The sum of production in the three sectors give the what is called gross domestic product or GDP of a country. Here, domestic means within a country. In India, the measuring GDP is undertaken by the central government ministry. This ministry, with the help of various government departments of all Indian state and union territory, collect the information related to total volume of goods and services and their prices, then estimate the GDP. While calculating GDP, only final goods and services are counted in GDP because the value of final goods already included in the value of all intermediate goods. So GDP mainly give a summarized picture of the economy and contribution by the various sector. Therefore, GDP in terms of economic performance has its own importance in while analyzing. Thank you.